Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with my granddaughter.
Megan.
And we're going to be showing the Creative Notions bag. Now I've pulled it out. This is what it looks like. So we're going to open it. This is a pretty white bag, isn't it?
It's mesh.
I know, but it's so pretty. There we go.
The bag interesting.
Okay, we have a bag and purse accessories.
We have stuff. Oh my goodness.
Show you this first. Look at that. That's nice. Okay, and then we have, let's see,
We're going to take my turn like that.
embroidered squares. We're going back and forth. Okay. All right, so these are kitty cat faces. And here's what the inside looks
That was not in the frame.
Oh,
That was down here.
okay. Well, we can do it for a frame, and then turn it over and let's do the other side. Those are cute little expressions too. Look at that little
Trying
one
to
right
get
there.
the glare off. There you go.
Look at this one. Look at that one right there with the eyes closed. That's what Leo usually does. Has his eyes shut like that. Pet my head. Pet a little bit more.
That's just the ruler picture.
Yeah.
Um,
That's cute.
There's the pattern for a purse. And I got your, whoops. Nobody saw that. You got your little dimensions on the back and all that fun stuff, and then that's what it's supposed to look like.
Alrighty, so I haven't read it because I just opened the package, but it says, please take note.
We will think about that. Suggestions.
Well, let me just tell them what it says real quick. We'll look at this here. It says, in the fall of 2022, they were experiencing delays in receiving their products and decided to put a 2-month hold on the payments for 90% of our customers. They were suspended, and 10% of our customers, which were PayPal, continued to be billed monthly. When shipping resumed, the December payment was named the October bag, and the bag should have been named the December bag. The payments for October and November were held. So you guys make sure, I'm not going to read the whole thing, I just read the very first paragraph. So make sure when you get this sheet that you read it when it comes in your bag, okay? I don't want anybody to be confused, but I don't want to be telling everybody what's on here. Y'all can read this for yourself. All right, and if you have any questions, go ahead and text them or email them. They definitely will get back with you, okay? They're really good.
I have banana bread. That's the recipe if you want to pause it and read it and get all the good stuff. And on the back is nothing, per usual. Well,
Your notes go on the back.
or if you want to put stickers on it. Gosh, act like you can't bling out your recipe card. Anyway.
Oh, so I never think about that. Okay, we have a triangle slice quilt using a triangle slice block. So there's what that looks like. Look at all the little pinwheels on it. Oh my goodness gracious. They're darling. That's pretty with that fabric too. Let's see here. And we have
a piece of candy.
here's some alternate colorways. Well, that's pretty in pink and blue. That's nice. I think it would probably be pretty nice in all the different colors. Don't you think?
I haven't seen it in all the different colors.
I know, but I could even picture that in a bright yellow if y'all like canary yellow. I know lots of people don't like the color yellow, but I'm just saying.
Pass.
Okay, go ahead.
Here's your introduction. The illusion. I enjoyed that.
That's the fabric.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just a little basic rundown.
We have our subscribers block of the month, Triangle Slice by Cindy Trolley. It is Trolley with a T. Toley. I put an R in there. I'm sorry. I rename everybody. I'm sorry. There you go.
I'm gonna call you higher.
And here's your piece of paper for you to do your paper piecing. Now remember, don't use your original. Always make a copy. You know, this will go through the printer and print out your copies for you, or however many you need. Okay? Otherwise, you're gonna have to do it the way that I used to do it before I had a printer, and that would be I had to have my light box and do it, and I did them all. But that's okay, because, you know, determination. If you want to do it, you can do it.
Not in my day.
Oh my God. All right, now it's your day. Let's show the candy real
No,
quick.
it's not.
There's something else in here. There's other stuff in here. Looks like a ruler.
We're not there yet.
Okay, here's the candy. Go ahead and open
Peanut
this up so we
free.
can see
Would
what
you show them the candy so I can get it out? Thank
you
you.
read that it was peanut free already.
On the back. Right there.
Oh, well, how about that?
And they don't put peanuts in that candy anyway. So.
But it's talking about the manufacturing place.
Yeah, that means if you have a peanut allergy, you can still eat it.
Right.
That's what that's saying.
Okay. And so we have a clamshell. Ooh, what's
Don't
that?
you show that off?
I did. 6.5 inches in case you didn't get that.
6.5.
6.5. Okay.
Here's little clamshell fabric paper piecing, right?
Templates. A little template
What's
and a
EPP?
stop.
Is that?
That's
That's not fabric paper piecing.
what?
What does that stand for? I don't remember.
English paper piecing.
It's a type of paper piecing, so I had that part right at least. But they're little. What is it?
Yeah.
They're
Well, it's right
little
here.
babies.
There it is, right there, little blue one.
No, these are the babies to this one. That's the babies. Okay.
Okay, whatever you say.
And there's 100 of them. That sounds like a lot.
Till you get them done, you try to put them together, and they'll only make you a mug rug, and then it's like, what? No, I'm just teasing y'all.
See, 100 can sound like a lot when you're looking at this, but if you look at 100 pennies, it's not that much.
There you go. Good
Perspective
comparison.
is everything.
Okay, let's look at this fabric. There's some pretty stuff. That looks
gonna
like
try it.
cabbage right there.
You look like cabbage
Yarn
right there.
and- oh my
Show
goodness.
that one.
Oh, I'm
I'm gonna
show
just
some
fold
too.
them in half so it makes it easier
Okay,
to
here we
pick up.
go. There's the beautiful fabric. Black and white fabric.
Set it over there.
I'll just set it right there. honey.
Okay.
Here we go again.
I'm folding it for her, y'all. I promise. Take that one.
Oh, this is cute. Look at that.
You ready for the inverted version of that one? Whoa!
The inverted version.
It is.
One on black on white.
Oh wait,
and
they're
white
all
on black.
inverted of each other.
There we go. I'd say it takes you a minute, but that's okay. There we go. Feathers. That's what it looks
Well,
like.
I was trying to go like
Leaves.
down with it.
Leaves are feathers.
Those are.
And here's the
Surface.
last one. Yes. I meant the ones I had.
Well, I meant the ones coming up.
Okay. I'm going to read through The Illusion by Joy. I want to change her name. Ting. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I read this little flyer here that we got in our bag. And for those that don't know and have bought maybe some of this fabric. So if you're not going to make your bag right away, you want to take all that out and you're going to lay out the vinyl. You're going to lay it flat because if it gets a crease in it, which it is folded when it comes in the bag, it's going to be hard to get the crease out because you know you cannot iron that. That will literally melt if you do. So don't be ironing any of this. And then lay it all out.
Well, they can iron the fabric,
Right.
just not the.
The vinyl that goes to this bag right here.
Yeah.
So the handles and everything, just lay it out. Just lay it all out flat. Okay? And then just put it aside. Now, right now, they've got a 25% discount going on the red, white, and blue sale. So everybody can go over there. Here's a little, let me show you a little bit of it close up. That's what's on sale. So you can get you some fabric. And they're going to be at the Paducah. No,
What?
I didn't say it right. I don't know where that came from. Pan Clutch? Is that what it is? Utah? I don't know.
Penguin.
Is that what it is? Utah.
I think I don't.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure. For a show on the 7th and the 10th.
You know, for people whose first language is
Well,
English,
wait a minute. That's already
we're not
happened.
the best at it.
Excuse me, that already happened. The 7th and 10th. This is not the 10th. This is the
says
10th.
October.
I was reading here June.
Oh. I'm
Uh-huh.
ahead.
Okay, so September
So
they're
that
going to be.
doesn't matter. That's in the past.
They're going to be at the Garden of Quilts in, we're just going to spell the word, Lehi, Utah in September 15th and 16th. The Heritage Quilt Festival in Richmond, Utah on October 5th through the 7th.
That says Richfield.
What did I say?
Richmond.
Oh,
It's not
sorry.
Virginia, it's Utah.
Okay, Richfield. Like I said, I got to rename everything. So if you're local to Utah, stop by and see them. Or if you're making a trip to Utah to visit friends, take your friends with you. And then They have Father's Day boxes were a huge hit, so there's a few left if you all want to grab them, okay? And that was it. That's all I want to say. Now we're going to show you the spread out here so everybody can see what we got.
Let's see.
All right, here is everything that's in the bag. Hopefully you can see it all. That's a good picture of the bag right there. Hopefully the lights aren't too blinding. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, make a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time. And I love all this black and white fabric. Thanks, Vicki and the crew. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.